What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video we are going to do unboxing of Huawei PSmart. And you can see on the back we have few specifications written on the box. It is 5.65-inch full HD display with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, and it has fast fingerprint scanner, and it has dual camera setup on the back, which is 13 megapixels and 2 megapixels, and this one is in blue color. So I have removed the seals of this box, and let us now open this box and let me show you what we have inside this box. And obviously at the start we will have this phone. It has this wrapper over this smartphone, so let me just put it at a side for a while and let's see what else we have inside this box. And first up we have this SIM ejector tool, and next up we have the screen protector, which is good to see, and we have this paperwork, and next up we have this cover, which is I think also in the blue color, so that is very good to note. And this is the plastic case, this is not the silicone case. So let's check what else we have next up. And next up is the charger, and it is said that this smartphone supports the fast charging, but it will be tested out later on whether it supports the fast charging or not. And this is the micro USB cable for this phone. It is not the USB type C. And next up we have these hand frees, which usually come with this design language in the Huawei box. So all the things are actually complete in this box, and we have this time the screen protector and a blue color case, which is good to see. And we have just removed the wrapper, and you can see this is the Huawei Honor PSmart, which is just a latest phone in our area. So I have already unboxed the Huawei Honor 7X, which was also in the blue color. You can check that video too on my channel. And we are just removing these peels from the front and the back, and this is the cell phone. You can see it actually looks like similar to the Huawei Honor 7X. There are not so many differences. The placement of the fingerprint scanner is the same, the same kind of dual camera lens setup, but the antenna bands are a bit different than the Huawei Honor 7X. So the overall language of this phone is quite similar to the Honor 7X. The ergonomics are just meeting up with the 7X, so I do not find externally a huge difference in the design between two phones. And you can see the phone has now started, so let us just boot this phone up, and we have to complete this process. For this we have to agree to the terms, and let's move next. And let us skip this, and we will connect to the internet connection later on. And let us set up this, and I am just skipping all this for a while. I am not going to set up these things because these will be set up later on. For now, let's put up a fingerprint scanner, and for this we have to put the pattern. And you can see it was written on the box that the fingerprint scanner is very fast. Actually it is written the quick fingerprint scanner, so we will see that how quick this fingerprint scanner is. Right now we are setting up the fingerprint scanner, and it is going very great, and you can see it has finished this process. So let's move next. And the Huawei is now welcome, and you can see the phone has just started, and it is the PSmart wallpaper on the back, and you can see this is the phone. And let us go into the setting to check out which Android version it is running on. So let's go into the about, and here we will find out what is the version of, and you can see actually it is running on 8.0 Oreo. That is very great to see that this phone is coming with Oreo, and it is having 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. Surprisingly, it was running on the Oreo 8.0. That was very great to see. And I will be posting many videos of this phone too, the speed test and the gaming review, and hopefully I will be posting this time the camera review of this smartphone too. So for all those videos, stay tuned on the channel. And right now I am just testing out the camera of this phone by just simply opening the camera, but all those videos will be available shortly on the channel. You can subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up. And for up till next video, bye bye and peace.